Yun nga, we had to make use of our twice to beat advantage. But we just gave up too big of a lead in the first quarter. It took a little while before we were able to get the rhythm of the game. Medyo second half na, malaki na masyado yung lamang, no? But what was important was we did not give up. We wanted to make the most out of the situation. Also, we used a lot of the minutes, in the second half, especially just to be able to learn what adjustments we need to make, on the Monday game. So I feel pretty good that we can figure it out and fix our problems, in the first game. So I think we just need to lean back on our accomplishments and parang may reason naman kung bakit kami nagka twice to beat. Meron ding you're gonna have bad shooting nights, Of course, we have to give credit to the way they played their defense, but we missed some good looks, Even our 3-point shooting was way below our average, So tingin ko getting used to the physicality, to what the refs will call and what the refs will not call. That's the lesson, and that's the value of getting a twice to beat advantage. Now we have to stretch that advantage and make it work for us on Monday.
Coach, you had the conversation with both people in the fourth quarter when he had that foul on Williams.
Wala naman yun, trash talking lang. Natural lang yun. That does not carry out of the game. So it's nothing.
Pero coach, since it's the playoffs, you expect that kind of physicality from both of us?
Actually, we expect it, but of course, mahirap kasi yung sisikuhin mo sa mukha yung kalaban mo, I don't know if it's by accident or just maybe trying to intimidate our players, but kasama rin yan, kasama naman lahat yan, kasama rin yung trash talk, whether they're trash talking among themselves or I'm trash talking to them. That's all part of it.
How would you describe Luis Villegas' effort tonight?
Great effort by Luis. It's his first game. They were trying to attack him on the mismatches. The situations where he got scored on were tough situations. He stayed in front of the ball, which was what I was asking him. Just stay in front of the ball. I don't mind you getting scored just as long as you're in front of the ball. And exactly what he did. Of course, meron pang paninibago. First game na to after a long time. And he's still trying to get used to yung mga switching on defense. Still trying to get used to that. But he did a good job. And I'm not worried about him. Ang tingin ko, he'll play a better game on Monday.
Coach,